What's up, gang? Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Okay, in this video, I'm going to look at survey 54, guys. Here, guys, you end by doing surveys, and you will get once you complete your survey, guys, you'll get cash, or you can withdraw to Airtime, guys. Okay, let's open the app, guys. As you can see, guys, there are no surveys yet, guys. There are no surveys. Okay, come here, guys, to tasks. As you can see, guys, you will earn $100, guys, just for 7 minutes, guys, to participate in this task, guys. You'll earn $7. I mean, you earn $100. As you can see, guys. If you are a driver, guys, this is for only drivers, guys. What are doing Uber? What is this now? Uber, Bolts, and many more, guys. You'll earn $100. And then, guys, if you are requesting Uber and so forth, like Uber and bots, you'll earn 20 Rand for 7 minutes, guys, to take this part. As you can see, guys. Okay, let's say tap and proceed. Please select as you. Okay, you see, guys, they need only your receipt, guys, for me, so that you send your receipt, then you will get approved, guys. As you can see, Bolts, Didi, or Uber. Okay, Uber. Then you have to capture your receipt, guys. Then once you have captured your receipt, you just upload it, and then they'll approve your submission. You'll get your money. Okay, come here, guys. Earnings, when you want to request your cash out, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, my wallet, I have 5 Rand, guys. Once I have 15 Rand, I will be able to redeem my money. As you can see, guys, I need to earn 10 Rand more, guys, to be able to withdraw, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.